Nona Palsier has joined me in the studio to talk business. Nona, so Comvita, now this is a honey producer and exporter. They're kind of looking at their model. They're going to go splitsies or what's going on?
So they produce Manuka honey, but they have been struggling to get enough supply, and that's because of bad weather and changes to the way the regulations around it, and it's just a very capital-intensive type of activity. And that's put a lot of strain on their balance sheet. The company has made a loss, planning to make another loss in its full year. So they've decided to do a top up from the top up and down review. Their chief executive, Scott Coulter, has been in the job for 4 years. He's stepping down in September, and they said it's a perfect time to do this review. And they're looking at breaking the business in two, so that one part of it would be for marketing, that's their brands, and the other part would be how do we improve the supply, so investment in more hives and that kind of thing. And the market really liked that idea because they finished the day up 13%. That's a very good, strong increase. 14 cents up to $3.52 when you consider that's a company that's forecasting a loss. Not bad.
And you're also telling me that investors are getting more choice around the foreign markets and new technologies?
Yeah, so the NZX has these things called exchange-traded funds, and that's basically you can go online and you can just, invest in, say, an index of, say, major companies or minor companies or industrial companies or what have you. And the NZX decide to lift their offerings so that you can do things like invest in ethical global funds or maybe futuristic ones, companies, a collection of companies that look at robotics, artificial intelligence.
So what is this, a box-ticking exercise?
Pretty much.
Where they produce a fruit basket of the things that are in your sphere of interest? Or?
Yeah, well, exchange-traded funds have been around for a long time, but they took off in popularity because of online trading. You can now buy and sell yourself. You can just go onto the site. You don't need a broker. You can just do this yourself. And it's, the NZX brands them Smart Shares, so you can just go along to their website, look for exchange-traded funds and see what's on offer there. Quite a lot. And gaining in popularity not just here in New Zealand, but around the world too.
Interesting. So what else happening on the market today, Nona?
There's a lot of mixed emotions on the market. It's running high. Donald Trump didn't miss a beat, tweeting all about his, on again, off again Mexican trade tariffs. So it look like they're ready to go ahead with those.
It's a wonder he can fit it all in
it's
between
hard.
visiting
it's
the
hard
Queen,
to believe
etc.
He's had a lot of things to do, yeah. Anyways, never mind though. Despite it being mixed, we were up 1/3%, 31 points up. Sorry, not quite 10,000 today. 9,987. We didn't get to 10,000.
Just a whisker below.
But our Kiwi is doing pretty well. Stronger against the US dollar at 66.3 US cents, 95 Australian, and 52.2 pence.
Thanks, Nona. That's Nona with our business news.